Hejar and HD Music Production.
اکترم عبد کلیپانیا هنرمند هجار دوهوکی داد. اصلی کاره که جوانه و جار بجاره کاره که جوان تر و پاکشتر و نیتر تین تا بازار ما. شال هر سرکفتی بید.
Nino Beganovic, how do you know Hejar?
I've seen some work that Hejar has done before, and I liked it. And I don't know how he came over my information, but he came to me and asked me if we could work together. So that's when we actually met and started this project, and it's really amazing. It's interesting to see how it develops all the time. He pushes us all the time, and we push him. So it's going to be interesting to see the results of this.
My name is Attila Yoldas, and I'm here today. And we've been shooting for a music video for HD Music Productions with Hejar Duhoki, and it's been going pretty good. I've been playing the bad guy in this music video, and I've also been shown Hejar's other projects, such as Ekmeli, which I actually kind of like. It got to my brain right away. It's been cool working with him.
This is my first time in a Kurdish music video, and it's been really fun because it's a lot of like joy and happiness, and I like his music too.
سلام، به نام روزبس و امروز نشتیم موزیک ویدیو هجار دوهوکی ضبط کردیم لیرا زور پم خوشه. الان استاشم همنا استکهلم، سوئد.
What do you think about the video music? It's something different.
Well, the music video is very original. It has very nice photography. It's aiming at working with quality, and of course the story of the music video is both controversial and also a very strong story.
It's been a good day. The crew is really good. The filming is really good, and overall it's been a great production, and I'm happy to be a part of it. Hejar himself has done a good job as the main character in the music video, playing himself. Hejar has also been one of the directors, which has been pretty cool to see.
When you heard about the story, what did you think about it first when Hejar Duhoki told you that it will be this story and it's about a girl? So what did you get for thing?
My first reaction when I heard the story is I really want to do this because it's a great story, and it kind of reflects stuff that happens all around us but never are spoken about. So hopefully the story in the video will open up for discussion and debate. I'm
not going to tell you what we're going to do, but the video is for a good cause. I support it.